Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from MEXC to Kucoin. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your MEXC application, which of course I've done right here. Now, the next thing is, how can you download MEXC? You can get it on Google Play Store, Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type MEXC and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing the application, it's going to take you right to the sign up page. We're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of options to have an exciting time on MEXC. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to transfer USDT from MEXC to Kucoin. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the bottom of your screen where you have a couple of icons representing diverse features. We have home, markets, trade, futures, and wallets. Now, I'd like you to click on wallets. So at the top corner of your screen, you have a couple of tabs, which include spot, futures, and fiat. Go ahead and set it to spot. Now, once you set it to spot, over here you have deposit, withdrawal, and you have transfer. Go ahead and click on withdraw. Now, once you click on the withdraw tab, go ahead and select the currency that you want to transfer. In this sense, it is USDT. So select USDT, and over here you have select withdrawal method. You have the on-chain withdrawal and you have the MEXC transfer. Go ahead and click on on-chain withdrawal and it takes you here. Now, since we want to transfer to Kucoin, I'd like you to head over to Kucoin, launch your Kucoin applications, and copy the wallet address for USDT BEP20. BEP20 is the withdrawal network. All right. So ensure that it is USD BEP20 that's on the BNB Smart Chain, because over here where we have network, we're going to choose BSC, that's the BNB Smart Chain BEP20. So it means once you head over to Kucoin, go ahead and copy the wallet address for USDT BEP20. Once you copy it, head over here to where you have withdrawal address and paste that withdrawal address. Then once you do that, head over to withdrawal quantity, enter your withdrawal quantity, enter remarks if you have any remark, and click on confirm. That way, the USDT will be transferred from MEXC to your Kucoin wallet as USDT. So that's it. You can go by the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.